Hi there, welcome to edupediaworld.com. You're watching the videos on triangles. So in this video we'll discuss some of the questions related to inequalities, incongruency, which are very important questions from the exam point of view. So you have to watch this video very carefully. Okay, so let's discover first question. Now the question number 1 says that show that in a right angle triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side. So we need to prove that the hypotenuse is the longest side. So first of all, let's draw the triangle. So let's say we have a right angle triangle like this. Okay, and let this be a 90-degree A, B, and C. So this is a right angle triangle now. So let's see how we can prove that hypotenuse is the longest side now. So as all we know that hypotenuse is a side opposite to the 90-degree angle. So this can be the side then. So this is hypotenuse. Okay, so let's discuss the proof. Proof in triangle we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Why? We can say that angle sum property now. So we have assumed that angle B is 90 degree. So we can say that angle A plus 90 plus angle C equals to 180 degree. And we can write angle A plus angle C equals to 180 minus 90. So angle A plus angle C equals to 90 degree. Now, so this implies is angle B equals to angle A plus angle C. Why? Since we know that angle B is 90 degree and angle A plus angle C is also 90 degree. So angle B is equals to angle A plus C. Now this clearly shows that angle B must be greater than angle A and angle B should also be greater than angle C. Why? Because angle B is sum of angle A plus C. So we can write that. Why? Because angle B equals to is sum of angle A plus angle C. So as all we know that in a triangle, sides opposite to larger angle is larger. So we can say that if angle B is greater than angle A, so we can say that AC is greater than BC. Why? Angle B is larger than angle A. Similarly, we can say that AC is greater than AB. Why? Because angle B is greater than angle C. So this implies is what? AC is the longest side. So this is how we can prove these type of questions. So let's discuss our next question, which is question number 2 says that in a figure given below, sides AB, so this side, and BAC, this side of triangle, are extended to point P and Q respectively. Also PBC, this angle, and QCB, this angle, they are related. So let's say they are related like this. Angle QCB is larger than angle PBC. So we can say that this is larger and this is smaller. Now, so let's see how we can prove this. And we need to prove that AC is greater than AB. So first of all, we need to write what is given. It's given that angle QCB is greater than angle PBC. And we need to prove that AC is greater than AB. So let's see how we can prove this. As all we know that angle PBC plus angle ABC equals to 180 degree. Why? Because we can say that PBA is a straight line or PBPA is a straight line, right? Now, so this implies is what? Angle ABC is equals to 180 minus angle PBC. Similarly, we can say that angle QCB plus angle ACB is also equals to 180 degree. Same way, we can write ACQ is a straight line or AQ is a straight line, whatever we can say. We can write angle ACB equals to 180 minus angle QCB. So let's say this is first and this is 2. Watch this part of this video very carefully, but because it's very important. Now, as we all know, PBC, angle PBC is smaller than this angle, Now let's say if suppose this is 100 degrees and this is 110 degrees. So it's example. So if this is a straight line, this will become how much? 80 degree, and this will become how much? 70 degree. So we can say that if this angle is smaller than this angle, then this angle will become larger than this angle. You can clearly see from the example I have given. So I can write like angle ABC will be greater than angle ACB. Why? Because you can say from 1 and 2, or we can say that angle QCB is greater than angle PBC. We can write like this. These two angles are in a triangle, so we can say that now AC is greater than AB. Why? Sides opposite to larger angle are larger. We can say that. So in this triangle ABC, angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. Similarly, we can say that opposite side opposite to angle ABC is AC, and side opposite to ACB is AB. So we can say that AC is greater than AB. So this is how we can prove these type of questions. The question number 3 says that in figure angle B is less than angle A. So this angle is larger than this angle, and angle D is larger than angle C. We need to show that BC, side BC is larger than AD. So let's see how we can prove this. So first of all, we need to write given. It's given that angle A is larger than angle B and angle D is larger than angle C. Now, okay, so let's see how we can prove this. So consider first triangle AOB. Now, in triangle AOB, angle A is greater than angle B. So we can say that BO is greater than BO, the side opposite to angle A, is greater than AO. Why? Sides opposite to larger angles are larger. Similarly, consider triangle, let's say DOC. Now, let this be first equation first. Now, if we consider triangle DOC, in triangle DOC, angle D is greater than angle C. So we can say that OC, side opposite to angle, larger angle OC is always greater than OD. So let it be 2 then, and the reason is same sides opposite to larger angles are larger. So let it be 2. Now if we add 1 and 2, what we get? BO plus OC will be greater than AO plus OD. Now BO, this side, plus OC will become BC, which will be greater than AO, this side, plus OD, so which will become AD. So this is how we can prove that BC is greater than AD. So this is how we can prove these type of questions. So in this question it's given that PR is greater than PQ and PS bisects angle QPR. So means this angle equals to this angle. We need to prove that PSR, this angle, is greater than PSQ, means this angle. So let's see how we can prove this. So first we need to write given. It's given that PR is greater than PQ and PS bisects angle QPR. So let's say what we need to prove. We need to prove angle PSR is greater than angle PSQ. So let's see how we can prove this. We can write, let's say we can write or can say that angle PSR equals to angle QPS plus angle PQS. Why? Because angle PSR is an exterior angle to triangle PSQ. So this is a triangle PSQ if you see properly. Okay, so this is the angle. So this angle is sum of this angle plus this angle, which is, we can say that, QPS and PQS now. So let it be the first equation now. Similarly, we can say that angle PSQ equals to, we can write angle SPR plus angle PRS. Same, we can say that angle PSQ is an exterior angle to triangle PSR. Now, it's given that PS bisects angle QPR. So this angle, so we can say that this angle, let me mark with another pen. Now, so this angle is equals to this angle. So we can say that. So we can say that angle QPS equals to angle SPR. So means this angle is equals to this angle. So we can say that now angle PSR is greater than angle PQS and PQS. Okay, and angle PSQ is greater than angle PRS. Okay, now if we consider this triangle, it's given that PR is greater than PQ. If we consider triangle PQR, it's given that PR is greater than PQ, means this side is greater than this side, and we can say that then angle PQS, this angle, is greater than this angle PRS. Why? We can say that angles opposite to larger sides are larger. Okay, so we can say that now, let it be 1. So we can say then angle PSR is greater than angle PSQ from 1. Why? Because it's given that angle PSR is greater than PQS and angle PSQ is greater than angle PRS. However, it's also given that angle PQS, this angle, is larger than angle PRS. So we can say that angle PSR is larger than angle PSQ. So this is how we can prove these type of questions in inequalities. So thank you once again for watching this video on edupediaworld.com. So keep watching further videos. Have a nice day ahead.